To set up eSIM on Motorola Moto G86 5G, we've got actually three methods. Let me show you all of them. First method, go to the settings. Now open network and internet. Go to the SIMs and mobile network. And now click to download new SIM. And as you can see, right now we got the first method to set up an eSIM. You have to click here, check for the network information, just make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And we've got actually two methods of activation. If you've got QR code in your SIM from your service provider, you will have to just scan like so. In my case, it's not correct because I already set it up. But in the most cases, you will just set up this automatically after scanning the QR code. There was also the second method that we are able to input the code manually. So we have to click to enter activation code, and the code should start with this or this. You have to click here, input the code manually by using keyboard. And if it's not working, you can also click here to try using this, the steps. If you set up this in the store, you can also pick the EID number by clicking here. Now a customer service can actually input that EID number to help you activate your eSIM, or you can let him scan that QR code. And that's basically it. After you set it up properly, the eSIM will be available just over here.